ashy to me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janneil Pilgrim and I'm the friend that tells you the absolute truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth about your makeup. And if you're not new here, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It is October Takeover. Now I paused these videos because I was trying to get the stuff ready, but you know, they're here, so we're back. For anyone that doesn't know, we don't do any of those scary looks over here. I'm not interested in that. There are so many channels doing that now that if I'm not doing it, it's totally okay. So guys, let me just stop all this talking and get into the video. I'm going to be using a lot of different palettes today, so y'all better keep up. For today's look, I don't really know what it's gonna be yet. I've seen a couple of people do this. I'm going to be using a black. Why is this all the way down here? Should it be here? Is that where it's supposed to be? I think I finally got it. Now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner. And I'm going to do like a little wing looking thing here. All I'm going to do next is just try to fill that in as much as possible. We're not going to leave that. We're going to set that with Dance Hall, which is this black color in the piano palette. And guys, as I said, y'all better keep up because we're going to be using like a million palettes today. I'm going to use this brush. One thing about wax or anything that's not powder that you're putting on your face, you need to set it. And then I'm going to try my best to go in with a smaller brush. This is the first time I'm going to use this palette. I don't know if it's Ciate or Ciate or I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm using this color. I'm using this dark brown. And I'm going to start blending that into the black. I know you guys don't see it blending yet, but just trust me. Now you're going to see the type of look that I'm going for. You can see that this one right here is blending out just a bit. So you just keep doing that, just keep doing it and doing it and doing it until it blends out properly. I'm still blending it at this angle, right? And you're gonna see how we're going to bring everything over to this side of the eyes. I'm going to bring this brown color halfway into my crease, and then I'm going to blend that out with a blending brush like this. This one, I'm going to use this dense one and still blend it. So that brush can only blend it out so much and no more. I know guys, this looks really crazy, but just trust me, just trust my vision. Now we're going to use the Beige Cosmetics Moroccan Sunset palette. I'm always using this palette because the fall looks that you can do from this are just so many. I'm going to try my best to blend that orange with the brown. Then we're going to use this blending brush and then we're going to go ahead and blend it out. Just a little bit. And now that we've blended that out, the last color I'm going to use is the yellow color from the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to go with this one, guys. And I'm going to use a fluffy, well, a denser blending brush to do that. Guys, I don't know if I like this look so far. This looks very ashy to me.
That's what she said!
I don't know. This has a very ashy feature vibe. And this orange looks almost red. Let's talk about love. Is it anything or everything before? One thing about me, I'm just gonna blend that until I am pleased with how it looks. Because if it don't look right, I'm not gonna stop. I'm just gonna blend it until I feel like it looks okay. I'm sorry. Honestly, this is just gonna have to work. This has to work. Then guess what I'm gonna do? Cut my crease. Guys, now that I've cut my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that orange color. I'm going to use this brush and just kind of go in with that color. I'm going to use that brown and blend it into the orange. We're going to go in with the yellow. And yellow and orange really do mix well. The real tea. The reason why I'm using one of these, I'm using 4 palettes, is because I'm really not sure of one of these palettes. So I need backups for my backups. I'm going to use a concealer brush. Wet that with my setting spray and get down to business on this palette. Okay, so y'all see this color? That's the one I want to get into, ma'am. It has like a foily metallic look and I like that. So I want to get into that and put that over that yellow color because I want it to stand out just a little bit more. Don't worry, we're going to go back in and try to blend the orange into it because we don't leave eyeshadows just like that. We need to blend them, sis. This is your face. This is giving me a different vibe than what I was going for. Do I like it? Yes. This reminds me of a flag. I'm officially done with my eyes. I don't think I want to try anything else, try to do anything else, try to add anything else. The only thing I'm going to add now is mascara and then move on with my life. I'm gonna do my eyeliner right now. So I remember the first time I did eyeliner and I cried. And now doing this is like nothing to me. Let's remove this. Oh, so that's why they do that. That's why they do that. If you guys can't use a concealer to get the straight line, I guess this is a really good tape trick. I like it now that I removed the tape. Then next thing that I'm gonna do is prime my face, and I'm going to use the NYX Angel Veil Primer. This makes me look so ghostly. I guess it's because it's like a mattifying primer. That's why I look like that, but it makes me look well. Next step, color correct. Here, 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 here. I wish I never had so many dark spots because I could just like probably skip this step. I would probably still color correct under my eyes. Only because I get bags from like school. I bring the bags from school all the way home. Guys, if you use something that works for your dark spots, please let me know. I don't know how my skin got this bad. I'm using something new though, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted. If that new thing works out well, I'm going to do an updated skincare video. I'm gonna use Sasha to set my face and dip in. As y'all know, and if y'all don't, I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 340. So if you have a yellow undertone and you think that you're close to my shade, you don't know what shade you are, you can start looking at this one and then make your way up or down from there. Start with both my under eyes, because I'm trying to get them bags in check, honey. And then I get everywhere else on my face. No. If you're sitting there looking at you thinking, that's not your color, sis, just watch. And trust me, I know what I'm doing. By the way, guys, I got some new sponges, which are these. They are incredible. I've been testing this out for like what now? For like a week. I do everything that I normally do with my regular sponge. Normally when I do my makeup, I don't wash out my sponge right away because most times I'm in a rush, and then I leave the sponge somewhere where I can wash it when I get home. And sometimes the other sponges stain. And I've been testing this out for like a week, and man, ain't nothing happen to the sponge, and it's like so soft. This is my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. More than likely, I'm going to place an affiliate link in the description if you guys want to get it. Did I mention to you guys how it blends? Look at it. That's like 2 dabs. And my nose is the only area of my face that I contour for more reasons than one. Because my face already has a lot of strength to it. I don't need it to be any much stronger. Blend that out. Blend it out. Blend that out. Blend that out. Get that nose snatched.
Before that line of demarcation is not showing on your nose.
I see that. I see that. And I don't like that. So blend it out. Just when you thought we were done, you need to set that. So I'm using my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop setting powder to set the rest of my face, and then I use my Marykay loose powder to set the remainder of my face. And it goes like this. I said I wanted to use a cream brush today, but we're not going in that direction, and I don't even know what direction I'm going in at this point. We're just going. My favorite step, blush. I know my hair looks raggedy. I know it is, but I know you're sitting at home looking not so cute yourself, sis. I'm joking, guys. I just washed my hair last night, so I'm gonna actually like moisturize it and everything because my hair is dry. And my lips are always simple because I don't like the extra stuff. I don't like the extras. I'm going to use this Clarins Velvet Lip Perfecto. I'm gonna wear this till it's done because it's my favorite thing this fall. I don't care what anybody says. This is one of the best things I've used on my lip, like, ever. I'm going for a little matte look for my lips today. Or should I add gloss? I'm most definitely going to add lip gloss. I don't know who I'm trying to fool, but it's not myself, so. I'm going to use this Trestique blush stick, and I'm going to put it like in the center of my lips, like. We're going to use that clear lip gloss. Because who am I? Who am I without lip gloss? Now that I've finished my lips, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with Dancehall on my lower lash line to ensure that there's no disconnect, because we don't want that down there, you know? Get a little bit of that orange and place it down there. I'm going to take a little bit of Soca and then put it in my inner corner. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Why have I never used this color before? I think it just brought up this look times 10. And maybe me, I have to go and touch right there. Because I'm just so enough. What if I spoiled it? So I think me being me, I stopped the cameras. And I was talking this entire time. And I did not realize that I didn't tell y'all. And then I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm using the style Goddess by RD Beauty. Okay. And I don't always use my lash applicator, but sometimes I do. Sometimes I use my fingers. If you have a tweezer, you can use a tweezer. It's not rocket science. Trust. Oh, I'm so tired. But my edges are raggedy. My hair is unmoisturized. I look like a chia pet because I wash my hair and I ain't doing nothing else to it. So guys, I'm going. This looks really good. I can't even lie to myself. Guys, comment down below and tell me what you think. I did that again. All praises belong to God. Guys, I'm gonna put on my appy and I'm gonna be right back. So we've reached the end of the video, and this right here is the final. I think I like it back. This is the final look. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video for my October takeover series. I know we started off a bit rocky and we didn't really know where we're going, but thanks be to God, we're right here right now with another snatched look. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to do your makeup like this. You have no idea where to start, what to use, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'll be doing a lot more how-to videos very, very soon because a lot of them were requested. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video. And by next video, I mean the next video for me that you have coming up because I know you have time. So you can watch more. You can watch more. I know you can watch more. So go ahead. Right there. She's right there. Right here. Go ahead. Click the button and watch the video.